Welcome to Hobart. Local time is approaching 7:40 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate. The seatbelt sign has been switched off. We'll be disembarking using the forward and rear left-hand doors. For your safety, please hold onto the handrail as you go down the stairs and follow directions given to you by our ground team for a safe passage into the terminal building. If your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch it on. However, we ask you do not use this whilst walking across the tarmac. And of course, smoking, vaping and e-cigarettes is not allowed on board the aircraft, walking across the tarmac and throughout the airport terminal. Please take care when opening overhead lockers. Some of your bags may have moved during the flight. And take a moment now to look around you and in your seat pockets for any personal items you do not wish to leave behind. On behalf of your Captain Nicholas Carroll and your onboard Melbourne-based team, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly Jetstar. It certainly has been a pleasure having you on board with us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. I'd also like to apologise for the late arrival of this service. We hope it hasn't caused you too much inconvenience. Thank you and good morning.